Students, we are discussing about the electrostatic. Electrostatic, first of all, you have to know what the means of the electrostat. Electrostat is the branch of the physics in which we deals about the study of static charge only. And what is the static charge? Static charge, the charge which will occur due to the friction for a slight movement by shifting of the electron is the electrostatic charge. As you can consider the example of the Coulomb law, all of the phenomena, all of the postulates, all of the definitions which will concern about it, that must belongs to the electrostat. Here it is. Now we will see, अब हम देखेंगे कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड हाउ इट बिकम जनरेट. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होता है और ये कैसे जनरेट होता है. टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एंड द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सी that every charge particle, let's suppose there is a charge particle plus 2 coulomb, that is the foremost condition of every charge particle. सभी चार्ज पार्टिकल की पहली कंडीशंस क्या है, पहली प्रॉपर्टी, पहला कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है, दैट इट विल एक्वायर एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अराउंड इट. ये अपने चारों ओर अपना एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एसोसिएट करता है, डेवलप करता है. दैट इज द वेरी फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एवरी चार्ज पार्टिकल. Either it is a positive charge particle, then it will acquire an electric field, or maybe it will be the negative charge particle, it will also acquire an electric field around it. Higher the amount of the charge, higher will be the vicinity of the field will be. जितना ज़्यादा चार्ज उतना ज़्यादा क्षेत्र में उसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डेवलप होगा. Now we want to find out the electric field intensity. Now we have been known what is the electric field. Now we have to find out the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity means हमें intensity measure करनी है. We want to find out the intensity of what, किसकी, electric field की. Electric field की intensity हमें measure करनी है. Due to what? Because of the charge particle. Charge particle जो electric field associate कर रहा है उसके किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे, लेट्स सपोज एट द पॉइंट ए, हियर इट इज अ पॉइंट ए, वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. यहाँ पर हमें इसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू कंसीडर ए टेस्ट चार्ज पार्टिकल. लेट्स सपोज इट इज अ टेस्ट चार्ज पार्टिकल क्यू नॉट कूलम. एक आपका टेस्ट चार्ज पार्टिकल है क्यू नॉट कूलम का. ये इसका बहुत छोटा सा, इसकी विसिनिटी में एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डेवलप हुआ है. What is our objective? क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है हमारा? We want to find out the electric field intensity at the point A. A पॉइंट पर ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना इंटेंस है ये हमें फाइंड करना है. तो we have to consider an टेस्ट चार्ज पार्टिकल. टेस्ट चार्ज पार्टिकल जिससे हम मेजर कर रहे हैं. What should be the intensity at the point A? What you have to do? First of all, you have to consider the test charge particle up to the point A into the system. इस सिस्टम में इस ए पॉइंट पर आप एलोकेट करेंगे, इसको यहाँ लेकर के आएंगे इंटेंसिटी फाइंड करने के लिए. एंड हाउ वुड यू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द इंटेंसिटी. इंटेंसिटी आप इसकी कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. यू हैव टू सी हाउ मच फोर्स हैज बीन अप्लाइड हियर. इट इज कितनी फोर्स यहाँ पे अप्लाई हो रही है. द फोर्स में भी आइदर द रिपल्शन और रादर इट में भी द अट्रैक्शन. यहाँ पे अट्रैक्शन फोर्स हो सकती है, रिपल्शन फोर्स हो सकती है. एज यू नो, इफ द चार्ज बिकम सिमिलर द फोर्स विल बी द रिपल्सिव. If the charge are dissimilar, the force will be the attractive. So how would you find out the intensity? Intensity आप कैसे find करेंगे? When we took that test charge particle into the point A of that charge into this electric field vicinity, then first of all we have to calculate the amount of the force of attraction or the repulsion at the point A divided by the test charge particle Q naught, and that will be the intensity of what? Of that charge particle. इस charge particle की intensity है ये at this point, इस point पर. Now the similar, if you will see the electric potential, let us see electric potential. The system will remain the same. The system will be the same. Similarly we have the test charge particle and there is an electric field around it. ये हमारे पास है. Here it is the test charge particle जिससे हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. Why it is known as the test charge particle? Because we are testing by that. That's why it is known as the test charge particle. अब इसका भी एक अपना एक छोटा सा, बहुत छोटा सा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है. व्हेन द बोथ ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड come into the contact, so they definitely will have the force, either the repulsion force or rather it may be the attraction force. Now electric potential, we have to just find out the electric potential. How we find out the electric potential? The process will remain the same. The process, here it is, we will see the process will remain the same. We will consider the test charge particle at the point A. And here we have to just know that how much work has to be done in that process. कितना वर्क हमें यहाँ से सिस्टम में यहाँ तक लाने में करना पड़ रहा है. यहाँ पे हमें देखना था what is the force which has been exerted by the two electric field when they become counter to each other. जब दो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक दूसरे को काउंटर करते थे तो कितनी फोर्स जनरेट होती थी in case of the intensity. In case of the potential we have to see how much work has been done. How much work has been done in that case. इस केस में कितना वर्क करना पड़ रहा है to consider the test charge particle into the system divided by the value of the test charge particle. That will be the potential at that point. Here should be the potential at the point A due to the charge plus 2 q coulomb. Similarly, we can also find out the potential difference if we suppose there are the 2 points. Here it is the point A and here it becomes the point B. Then we have to do the process in the 2 times. Here it should be the potential VA. यहाँ पे आपको potential VA होगा. When you have to just putting the test charge particle into the point A in the electric field of plus 2 q coulomb particle. Again we are considering the same test charge particle towards the point B. Now the potential which will be here, that should be the VB. That is a scalar quantity basically. So that's why we do not just put the analog. Here it is. Now we have to just find the VA. Now it becomes a WA by Q naught. Work done in considering the test charge particle to the point A. Then the potential acquired should be the VA and the work done should be the WA. Similarly, the VB will be the WB upon Q naught. If we subtract the equation first to the second, then it will be the VA minus VB and that becomes equals to WA by Q naught minus WB by Q naught. Or rather we may say WA minus WB by Q naught. That will be the potential difference, delta V. In between these 2 points,